Hey there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install OpenCode CLI in your PC. This is free AI and you don't have to pay for this, and the installation process is also simple. So let me show you. So to install this you have to install Node.js in your PC at first. So go to the CMD and check that if you have Node.js or not. So type node-v and you will get the Node.js version. You can see it means you have installed Node.js in your PC. If you don't get this version, it means you need to install Node.js. So go to the browser and go for the Node.js org and click here download, select long-term support version LTS and then download.msi, and then you have to install it in your PC. I'm assuming that you can install in it install it in your PC, and after that if you type node-b you will find the version. All right, now we have to actually go for the OpenCode CLI. So to install OpenCode CLI in your PC, you have to go to the OpenCode CLI GitHub. You have to search it and you will find a link here. You can see this link, github.com anomalico, ANOMALYCO, then OpenCode. So open this and here you will find installation process, OpenCode. Here you can see, and this is the installation process. So we will actually run this command. Okay, so we are going to copy this, and because of this npm actually we need to install a Node.js. Okay, all right, so copy this and go to the command prompt, cmd, run it as administrator and right click on it to paste it. Here you can see npm i-g OpenCode-AI at latest. So why we need this? So for the package installation we need npm and then -g for globally installed, because let's say I can create multiple project from anywhere in my PC, right? Let's say I have 3 drives, so I can actually create my project in any drive. So I need OpenCode CLI globally, otherwise I have to actually install for every single drive, every single project, right? I'm not going to do this. I'm going to install it for once, and I will actually install it in globally so that it can actually access from anywhere in our PC. So that is the reason actually -g and then OpenCode, then -AI at latest to install the latest version. Now if you hit enter, then it will actually start installing. So I'm not going to actually wait for the installation process. I will pause the video now, and after that when the installation will be done, then I will actually restart the video. Welcome back, and here you can see we have successfully installed OpenCode CLI in our PC. All right, now to check the OpenCode CLI version, you have to actually say here OpenCode -version. Hit enter to get the version, and here we go, we got the version. Here you can see. All right, now I can open OpenCode CLI from anywhere in my PC. Let's say in the desktop I want to open it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new folder here, and the folder name will be, let's say, test-API. And now here I'm going to open command prompt. So here I'm going to say cmd. Okay, so command prompt will be open here, and here I will say OpenCode to open OpenCode. Now I have to wait for some times to actually get OpenCode CLI, and here we go, we got this OpenCode. Here you can see. So it took almost 2 minutes, but maybe for the first time, that's why. But if you open it later, then you can actually open it instantly. So let's check. Okay, let's check once again, and here I'm going to say once again command prompt, and here I'm going to say OpenCode, hit enter, and we have to wait for this. Here you can see it opened. Now let's say I have zoomed it, right? Now if you want to zoom out it, so what you have to do, you have to press Ctrl plus Shift and then scroll your mouse wheel. Okay, here you can see now it's zoom out. Okay, so here you can say ask anything. Now let's say I want to create a project. So if I give here any prompt, then it will actually create the project. So I will say create a simple .html file where it should show hello from OpenCode CLI. Hit enter. Then it will actually create your file, .html file. Okay, and here you can see hello from OpenCode CLI, and here we go. Here you can see we got the file. Now if I open it, here you can see hello from OpenCode CLI. So guys, that's it. And through this OpenCode CLI free AI, you can actually create big size project also. You may create Laravel project and PHP project. So I will show you some different project by creating all the project. Okay, step by step. Let's say school management system, library management system. So yeah, make sure to give a like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.